Neapolitan pizza. Originating from Naples in Italy, this is considered the original form of pizza. It has a soft, thin crust with a slightly charred edge, made using simple ingredients like San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, and olive oil. The dough is hand-stretched and baked quickly in a very hot wood-fired oven, which gives it a light, airy texture. Its simplicity and balance are what make it stand out, and it is even protected by traditional standards in Italy. New York-style pizza. Developed by Italian immigrants in New York City, this pizza is known for its large, foldable slices and crispy yet flexible crust. It uses a thin base that is sturdy enough to hold generous toppings, usually tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. The dough is often made with high-gluten flour, giving it a chewy bite. It became popular as a quick, affordable street food, and today it represents a major part of American food culture. Chicago deep dish pizza. This pizza takes a very different approach, coming from Chicago in the United States. It is baked in a deep pan, creating a thick, almost pie-like structure with high edges. The layers are reversed compared to most pizzas, with cheese at the bottom, toppings in the middle, and tomato sauce on top. The crust is buttery and firm, designed to hold the heavy filling. It is more filling and rich, often eaten with a knife and fork rather than by hand. Sicilian pizza. Originating from Sicily, this pizza is known for its thick, rectangular shape and fluffy crust. It is baked in a tray, which gives it a crisp bottom and soft interior. The toppings are usually simple, with tomato sauce, onions, anchovies, and herbs. Over time, it evolved differently in places like the United States, where it often includes more cheese and a slightly sweeter sauce. Its bread-like texture makes it quite distinct from thinner styles. Margarita pizza. This is a classic Italian pizza named after Queen Margherita of Italy. It uses only a few ingredients, tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil, to represent the colors of the Italian flag. The focus is on freshness and quality rather than complexity. It is often made in the Neapolitan style, with a soft crust and minimal toppings. Its importance lies in how it highlights the idea that simple food can still be deeply satisfying. Roman pizza. Found in Rome, this pizza is typically thinner and crispier than its Neapolitan counterpart. It has a very light and crunchy base that cracks slightly when bitten. There are two main versions, one round and one served in rectangular slices by weight. The toppings can vary widely, from simple combinations to more creative mixes. Its texture and versatility make it a popular everyday food in Italy. Turkish Pide. Often referred to as Turkish pizza, pide has a boat-shaped dough filled with various toppings such as minced meat, cheese, or vegetables. The crust is thicker along the edges and softer in the center. It is baked in a stone oven, which gives it a slightly smoky flavor. While it shares similarities with pizza, its shape and seasoning reflect Turkish culinary traditions. Japanese Okonomiyaki pizza. In Japan, pizza has been adapted in creative ways, and one example is Okonomiyaki-inspired pizza. It combines a pancake-like base with toppings like cabbage, seafood, and special sauces. The flavors are savory and slightly sweet, often finished with mayonnaise and bonito flakes. This version shows how pizza can blend with local dishes to create something entirely new. Brazilian pizza. In Brazil, pizza is known for its wide range of toppings and bold flavors. It often includes ingredients like green peas, corn, hearts of palm, and even chocolate or fruit for dessert versions. The crust is usually thin and the toppings are generously layered. It reflects the country's diverse food culture and openness to experimentation. French Flammekueche. Coming from the Alsace region of France, this dish resembles a very thin pizza. It has a crisp, flat base topped with crème fraîche, onions, and bacon. It is baked quickly at high temperatures, resulting in a light and slightly smoky flavor. Unlike traditional pizza, it does not use tomato sauce, making it a unique variation in the pizza family. Indian Tandoori pizza. In India, pizza has been adapted to include local spices and cooking methods. Tandoori pizza often features toppings like paneer, chicken tikka, and spicy sauces. The crust may even be cooked in a tandoor, giving it a distinct smoky taste. It blends the familiar concept of pizza with the rich, bold flavors of Indian cuisine.